Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize transferring from Ally Bank to E-Trade, complete guide step by step clearly. To start transferring funds from Ally Bank to E-Trade, ensure you have both accounts ready. Log into your Ally Bank account using your credentials. Navigate to the Transfers section on the main dashboard. Select Transfer funds from Ally Bank to an external bank. Enter E*Trades bank details, including the routing and account number. Make sure to double-check the account numbers to avoid errors. Specify the amount you wish to transfer. Choose the date for the transfer or leave it as the default processing date. Review all details for accuracy before proceeding. Confirm the transfer request to initiate the process. Wait for the transfer to be processed, which may take a few business days. Once the funds have been transferred, log in to your E-Trade account. Go to the funding section in your E-Trade account. Verify that the funds have been received. If the funds are not visible, check your transfer history in both accounts. For any issues, contact customer service at either Ally Bank or E-Trade. Keep track of your transfer until it's completed to ensure everything is correct. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.